If you're dealing with hair thinning, a receding hairline, or slow hair growth, you've probably seen products like Hairovesca Hair Growth Serum making big promises online, but does it actually deliver results? Or is it just another overhyped formula? Hairovesca is marketed as a hair growth serum designed to support stronger, fuller-looking hair by using a blend of ingredients that claim to nourish the scalp, improve hair health, and create a better environment for hair growth. The formula includes commonly used ingredients found in many hair care products. But one important thing to understand is that individual results can vary greatly depending on factors such as genetics, age, scalp condition, hormones, diet, and the cause of hair loss itself. Some users report that their hair felt thicker, healthier, stealthier, and easier to manage after several weeks of consistent use, while others mention seeing only minor changes or needing more time before noticing visible improvements. That mixed feedback is not unusual because hair growth products rarely work the same way for everyone. Another point to consider is that no cosmetic serum can guarantee dramatic regrowth, especially in cases of advanced hair loss. The positive side is that Hairovesca appears to focus on scalp care and hair nourishment rather than unrealistic overnight claims. But potential buyers should still approach marketing promises with realistic expectations. Pricing, consistency of use, and long-term commitment are also factors worth considering before making a purchase. Overall, Hairovesca does not appear to be an obvious scam, but it also should not be viewed as a miracle solution. It may be a product worth considering for people experiencing mild hair thinning who understand that gradual improvements are more realistic than instant transformations. And checking the ingredient details, customer feedback, and professional advice can help you decide whether it fits your needs.